Let's learn how Planyard makes construction cost estimating easy and helps you send a professional-looking quote to your client to win the bid. It's ideal for quickly estimating renovation works, house build projects, or even an apartment building project with multiple estimators. To register a new client bid request, we click Add New Estimate. We add the estimate name and select the client from the list. Optionally, we can upload relevant documents, add descriptions, select the quote currency, etc. We click Start Estimating. Here we can type a new budget item and add the unit, quantity, and unit price. Once added, we can start typing the next budget item. To build more structure to the budget, we can add categories or cost heads. If we have set up our cost codes or budget items database, we can select them from it. Alternatively, we can import the cost codes into a spreadsheet. So all our cost estimates are built using the same cost codes. We select the items we need to estimate this project, and they are in the correct position within the budget. If we need to add more items, we select the corresponding ones. If the cost codes have unit prices in the database, they can serve as a price list. As we enter quantity, the system automatically calculates the net cost. Planyard estimating view really looks like a spreadsheet where we can navigate via the keyboard, quickly add items, etc., but there is no risk for simple formula errors linking to costing errors. We can edit the quote terms and conditions below. You can save the quote terms template under Company Settings. Once we have finished the cost estimate, we will add the markup. We can bulk add it to all lines, say 25%, or adjust it by line, say 30%, or this will be $300 instead. Once ready, we click Finish Estimating. Our colleagues have real-time access to the quote if we want to have a second set of eyes review. As a next step, we can download the quote. We can customize the layout by selecting what we want to display on the quote PDF file. Without any copy-pasting, I have a professional-looking quote ready to send to the client. The quote has company logo on it, the items, the layout I chose, and my terms section below. While negotiating with the client, you can create quote versions and keep track of them as they progress throughout the sales pipeline. All the quotes are organized in this easy-to-follow sales pipeline, which allows tracking which jobs are estimated and which offers are sent. We see a simple red notification helping to follow up the client on time. We can also see the sales pipeline in the list view. Here, we keep our project templates. If you have standard products, we can create estimate templates. Next time, we can select the template right, adjust it, and quickly send the quote to our client. In addition, we can copy a previous project. Once the job is won and the project is live, we click to start the project cost control process to track the estimates against the project costs throughout the build process on Planyard. Since Planyard organizes all the estimator's quotes in one place, you can easily reuse the quote details, such as unit price and quantity, and use them to build future client quotes. You can also access the item cost data from the live projects. With one click, you can open the project and compare the estimated cost of the budget item to the actuals and the budget variance. The color-coded indicators make it easy to spot estimating errors. To see the cost of a specific budget item across all your portfolio projects, click here. This will display the price of this particular item in all our ongoing projects, serving as a live price list. Using unified cost codes to estimate and track all portfolio projects allows you to reuse the portfolio project's historical cost data more efficiently.